Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic, ICP versus Avalanche. Two powerful blockchains that are shaping the future of decentralized tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss another breakdown like this. Now, if you've ever felt confused about which blockchain is right for your next project or investment, you're not alone. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now dozens of newer platforms like ICP and Avalanche. So what makes them different? Why does it even matter? In today's video, we'll walk through everything you need to know, from how they work, what problems they solve, and where they might be headed in the future. No jargon, no fluff, just clear, simple explanations. Let's get started. Now, if you've ever felt confused about which blockchain is right for your next project or investment, you're not alone. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now dozens of newer platforms like ICP and Avalanche. So what makes them different? Why does it even matter? In today's video, we'll walk through everything you need to know, from how they work, what problems they solve, and where they might be headed in the future. No jargon, no fluff, just clear, simple explanations. Let's get started. Let's start by asking a big question. What's wrong with the internet as we know it? Right now, most of our data lives on servers owned by giant companies. Think Google, Amazon, Facebook. That means they control what happens to your information, how apps run, and who gets access. Enter blockchain. This technology lets us build a more open, fair, and secure internet. One where users own their data and apps run on a global network instead of centralized servers. That's exactly what ICP and Avalanche are trying to do, but they go about it in very different ways. Let's start with ICP, short for Internet Computer Protocol. Think of ICP as a bold experiment to turn the entire internet into a decentralized computer. It wants to replace cloud services like AWS and Google Cloud. Yes, really, here's how it works in simple terms. Instead of relying on one company's servers, ICP uses thousands of independent computers all over the world. These computers work together to run websites, apps, and even AI models directly on the blockchain. The cool part, users don't pay any fees when using apps. Developers cover the costs, which makes the experience feel just like surfing the web normally. So imagine being able to use social media, games, or business tools without worrying about gas fees or complicated crypto wallets. That's the promise of ICP. Now, let's talk about Avalanche, a platform built for speed, scalability, and flexibility. Avalanche isn't trying to rebuild the internet. Instead, it focuses on helping developers create their own custom blockchains, kind of like building digital cities with unique rules and features. Here's the quick version. Avalanche uses something called subnets. These are like private networks within the larger Avalanche system. Each subnet can have its own rules, tokens, and security settings. Transactions are fast, like super fast, finalizing in under 2 seconds. And because it works with Ethereum tools, developers already familiar with Ethereum can easily jump in and build on Avalanche. So whether you want to make a high-speed trading app or a private blockchain for your business, Avalanche gives you the tools to do it quickly and securely. Alright, let's talk real-world use cases, because blockchains aren't just theory, they're being used right now to build the future. ICP is pushing the boundaries of decentralization. Some projects on ICP include fully decentralized social media platforms, Web3 games that store everything on-chain, AI-powered apps that run autonomously and transparently. Avalanche, on the other hand, has become a favorite for DeFi apps like lending platforms and decentralized exchanges, NFT marketplaces with ultra-low fees, tokenizing real-world assets like real estate and stocks, gaming ecosystems, and enterprise solutions. Both chains are seeing real adoption, but in very different directions. Where are these projects headed? ICP has some wild plans ahead, including launching a new AI development platform called Caffeine, where you can literally type out what you want your app to do and it builds it for you. No coding required. They're also expanding their ability to connect with other blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, making cross-chain apps safer and easier than ever. As for Avalanche, they're doubling down on partnerships with big institutions like FIFA and BlackRock, bringing blockchain into mainstream industries. Plus, they're making it cheaper and easier than ever to launch custom subnets, opening the door for even more specialized applications. So who wins, ICP or Avalanche? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on what you care about. If you love the idea of a fully decentralized internet and want to explore cutting-edge AI on the blockchain, ICP might be your jam. But if you're looking for a fast, flexible, and EVM-compatible platform with strong real-world adoption, Avalanche could be your best bet. Either way, both ICP and Avalanche are pushing blockchain tech forward, and that's great news for all of us. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know which blockchain you're more excited about, ICP or Avalanche. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto content every week. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and remember, crypto is for everyone.